Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll talk about Jenkins, which is the powering DevOps and CI/CD. In this presentation, I'll talk about what is Jenkins, why Jenkins, history of Jenkins, other CI tools similar to Jenkins. Now, what is Jenkins? Jenkins is an open source automation server that streamlines software development by automatic tasks like building, testing, and deploying applications, facilitating efficient software delivery of the DevOps environment. And key tools in DevOps pipelines. Here is the complete diagram of the DevOps. Automation, continuous integration and delivery, acceleration, reliable software release efficiently. And why use Jenkins? Key benefits for organizations. Streamlines lifecycle. Jenkins automates various stages of the software development lifecycle, ensuring a more efficient workflow. This automation reduces manual effort, allowing teams to focus on the enhancing product features. Early bug detections. By integration testing seamlessly within the pipeline, Jenkins enables early detection of bugs and issues. This leads to improved code quality and reduces the cost of fixing problems later. Supports frequent delivery. Jenkins facilitates continuous integration and delivery, allowing organizations to release software updates more frequently. This results in quicker feedback loops and more a responsive development process. A Jenkins advantage plugins offers over 1,800 plugins for integration flexibility. Automations automate repetitive tasks to boost productivity. Pipeline allow pipeline as code using Groovy scripting. And community strong community support fasters collaborative development. Scalability supports distributed builds to handle large projects. And timeline of Jenkins. 2004, Hudson developed. In 2004, Kosuke Kawaguchi developed a Hudson at Sun Microsystems as an open source automation server aimed at improving software build management. 2011, renamed Jenkins. In 2011, Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems, leading to the renaming of Hudson of Jenkins after community fork due to governance disputes. Community in 2011 community fork. The same year, the Jenkins community forked Hudson, fostering rapid development and establishing Jenkins as a leading tool in the CI/CD landscape. In 2014, Jenkins 1.0 release. In 2014, Jenkins celebrates a significant milestones with the release of version 1.0, making its stability and reliability in software automation. 2020 over 1,800 plugins. By 2020, Jenkins has grown to support over 1,800 plugins, showcasing its extensive ecosystem and flexibility for various integration and automation needs. GitLab CI/CD integrated and efficient tool. Further integration. Seamless integration with GitLab repositories enhances efficiency. Automation. Streamline automation of the complete DevOps lifecycle. Understanding GitHub Actions and its benefits. There are GitHub Actions dynamic workflow here, and the event-driven automation tasks triggered by repository events and workflow flexibility supports drivers actions through customizable workflows. CircleCI, a leader in CI/CD solutions. Here is the diagram integrated all-in-one platform for DevOps lifecycle management and performance supports parallel job executions for increased speed. And the last is the conclusion. Conclusion is Jenkins as a flexible solution. Thank you all.
Alaikum. First of all, open the terminal and logged in and prepare Ubuntu and install Docker, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. installation and done, and then install prerequisites and Docker repository. Sudo apt install y ca certificates curl genupg lsb release, and then sudo mkdir -p etc apt tc apt queuings and curl fssl https download docker download Linux Ubuntu These commands are installation prerequisites and Docker repository. Yes, and then echo dev print architecture, then signed by Docker jpg https download docker.com docker.com. Sorry for the late typing. Linux Ubuntu lsb release cs stable, then dev null, and then sudo apt update. Sorry for the error and fixing the error. And install the Docker engine. Install Pinoy Docker C CLI container IO Docker compose plugin. Sorry for the error, I had the spelling mistake. Correction and done. And then allow user to use Docker logout and logback, and after this to apply. The commands are sudo user mode ag docker user, and they verify the docker version. Yes, verification done. Docker rm hello world is the verification process, and run Jenkins with Docker pull Jenkins. Docker volume is the pull the official Jenkins LTS image and run it, and download process and done. Then confirm the container is running. The 8080 is a Jenkins web UI and the 50,000 is a Jenkins agent port. Jenkins home, Jenkins LTS. The confirm the container is running, docker ps. Yes, the container is running, and open the Excel and configure it, and go to the website and write the IP address 192.168.0.244 clone 8080 and go to the Jenkins. Unlock the Jenkins page. It asks for the initial admin password and retrieve it from the running container. For that reason, copy the printed password here, copy the URL, paste here, and here is the copying the printed password and paste it in the unlock Jenkins page. Yes, save. Install the suggested plugins. And create a first admin user, username, password, confirm password, full name, email, save and continue, save and finish. Here is the Jenkins URL. Jenkins is ready, and here is the Jenkins dashboard, new item, build history, build queries, build executor status, sign up signal, setting, profile, and create a new item. The name is hello world Jenkins. Sorry for the error. It changes hello world Jenkins. Done. Here is the description. This is my Jenkins project. Scroll down, execute shell, and echo hello world, and save. And click the build now on the job page. In build history, click the build number and click console output. It should say hello world Jenkins and build marked is success. Hello Jenkins and build marked is success. And then install Git on the system. Sudo apt install or Git. I have already installed it. Using this command for the install Git on the system. Here is the username, and the user email. And then go to the GitHub yes, and create the new repository, and the repository name is Jenkins hello repo. Choose visibility public and save, and create new file and write hello world Jenkins from my name. Yes, commit the changes. And the file name is hello.txt. Commit changes, then refresh it. Yes, and hit the code and copy the web URL and go to the Jenkins, new item, hello from GitHub, freestyle projects, and OK. And description, this is a pulling process. I'm copying here the git and paste the URL, and here's the main. Scroll down and execute shell. Here is the workspace contains the clone repo. hello.txt echo hello.txt not found. Save and click the build now, and then console output. Scroll down is the hello world Jenkins from Hudson and successful.